De Gasperi, Serchessi, Castellammare Di Stabia, Italy. Here's the first elevator of the day. An old elevator. Bassetti. Mosanghini. 2 doors here. Small traction elevator. Just take one ride on it. 2234047 3 person 250 kilograms. An old Bassetti elevator, maintained by Mosanghini. Oh, a nice elevator with nice doors. Oh my goodness, nice that is, single speed. Wow, but the stop was very heavy. Yeah, this elevator is very tiny. So it cannot take so well it. Small cabrio. And this is a small for smart stop with nice living. Okay. Okay, now let's go to the second level of this apartment building. Second, okay. The second apartment building of this complex. Okay, DA. Oh, and a modernized Bassetti. Replaced by BL elevaTOUR. Movilift buttons. Telbo 13051 54NE 6103 54NE OTIS. An old OTIS from 1961 replaced by Telbo with cooperation of a local brand. This is not the usual generic. And Movilift buttons. Not too frequent for me. Not serious one. Yeah, it's brand new. Yeah, brand new. PL elevaTOUR. So it might be completed in 2018. Let's go down. And now it's time to go in the second staircase, where it might be an old original elevator. Okay, the third elevator is the same exact of the second, so I go out, that's it.